The best choice products, faux leather upholstered modern convertible futon, is the kind of furniture that understands modern life. Smaller rooms, flexible plans, and the quiet hope that one item can do more than one job without complaining. It doesn't shout for attention. It simply shows up, does the work, and fits where it's placed. At first glance, the design feels calm and confident. Clean lines, tufted faux leather, chrome metal legs, nothing extra, nothing missing. The black upholstery leans modern but not cold, making it comfortable in apartments, dorms, basements, bonus rooms, even travel trailers. This futon looks like it knows it doesn't need to be huge to be useful. At just over 65 inches long, it respects tight spaces while still offering real seating for 2 adults, supported by a solid 500-pound weight capacity. The 3 adjustable backrest positions quietly become the star of the show. Upright works for conversation and work from couch moments. A relaxed recline handles movie nights and sports marathons. Fully flat turns the sofa into a bed in seconds. No complicated mechanisms, no wrestling with metal bars, lift, click, lower. Done. It's the kind of simplicity that feels rare in convertible furniture. The fold-down middle armrest with cup holders deserves special mention. It's practical, slightly playful, and oddly comforting. Drinks stay safe, snacks stay close. Pets are discouraged from stealing fries. Small details like this make the futon feel designed by someone who actually lives indoors. Comfort is honest here. This futon leans firm, both as a sofa and a bed. It supports more than it sinks. Sitting feels stable and upright, lounging feels relaxed, sleeping feels acceptable, especially for guests, kids, or occasional overnights. Those expecting cloud-like plushness may want to add a mattress topper for sleeping, but the structure itself feels sturdy and well-made. The cushions don't collapse, and the surface stays supportive over time. Assembly is refreshingly painless. The futon arrives in a single box, with most parts stored cleverly inside the main frame. A quick heads-up: armrests and accessories are hidden inside the futon under a Velcro backing, which has caused brief panic for some before a laugh and an "oh, there it is" moment. Once found, setup is simple. Screw in the chrome legs, attach cushions, and it's ready. It's one of those rare furniture experiences where the box is heavier than the finished product. The removable arm pillows add flexibility but come with a trade-off. They're attached with Velcro, which works well when the futon is placed between walls or in tighter setups like RVs or built-ins. In open spaces, they can shift if leaned on heavily. For some, that's a minor annoyance. For others, it's a non-issue, especially given the price and versatility. Durability feels promising. The faux leather is smooth, easy to wipe clean, and forgiving of everyday life. The metal legs hold firm, the frame feels stable, and the futon doesn't creak or wobble when converting between positions. It's not pretending to be a luxury sofa, but it doesn't feel disposable either. What makes this futon quietly impressive is value. It fills gaps where custom furniture would cost hundreds more. It solves space problems without drama. It adapts to changing needs. Guest bed today, movie couch tomorrow, without demanding attention. It's not trying to be everything. It's trying to be useful. And in modern homes, that's more than enough.